I gotta hurry up. Eat this, Birdman. Stupid. Rain. Huh? Oh, wait. No, I'm not going to stand there. I want to stand over here and attack that girl. Got the healing drop. But we have to return hands. Sorry, we don't need that medical herb anyway. Emo boy. Eat this, you stupid paid statue. No! Oh, stupid hoe. Oh, man, we gotta hurry it up. Man, you got me. Can't really do much anyway. They can do except just watch. No, I don't want you to hold. I want you to attack him. Let's take out that assassin so we can focus more on that guy.
Prepare to die!
Yeah, deserve it. Nobody poisons us. Julian and we managed to defeat the bandits, but what are the paths? Alright, let's go back. Let's get to the local motor engineer and ask him. Finally, I found you, Lord Square. Oh, you're Eldar. I'm Eldar, I believe. Hey, what about me? I'm here too. Yeah, I see you, Zero. Your brother and I remain players. Guard Lord Conrad. Failure of peace to come. We're Reagan, aimed to Lord Sawyer, but then we had an Empire turn burden. We saw his train being attacked by bandits. We're torn between helping. We were looking for you. It's exciting to ignore the matter of return here. Your sense of justice will unite us. In any case, I appreciate Conrad sending you. Glad to see you save my lead, but to be honest, that's not the only reason we came back here. The bridge over the border has been destroyed. The sea train will go straight to the canal. And once we fly any car to the here, he told us. There are many more bandits. What's the thing first before he stops you? Hurry onto the roof, take out the bandits, to the train, and get us here. I heard you took good care of my men. Banshee giraffe. Jeez. I am honored that such a noble bench ram is designing to speak into a poor rogue like myself. I ever was making you Chief Giraffe. How about it? Will you hear me out? Hear you? Wow. I'm smarter. You're in a position to make one. And if you were, I don't think my friends in the Empire would be pleased. I to let you know. I could never betray my associates. I am most sorry, but accept your fate. Don't make this difficult. Very well, you want to right here. This is where let us have it. Zero, head to the other car and check the passengers. Eldar, you see what doesn't help those crushing bandits. Eldar the Bold, so Eldar is part of the team. I would prefer to avoid bonds with some step Bruce take them out. Here we are. Now we're gonna wait for you to all